This is the video introduction to experiment 25, build a code oscillator circuit in the Mr. Circuit Basic Electronics Lab 1. Sending code by audio tones has a long history. Samuel Morse created a basic code of short and long tones to send verbal messages. He made it of dots and dashes or dits and dahs. For example, an A in Morse code would be da, and so forth. Here is a circuit that you can use to create code messages. Most people do not know Morse code, so pretty much it's a secret code. It was not meant to be used as a secret code, but a code of sounds that could easily be interpreted and sent over long distances using electricity and wires. You could actually create your own code of sounds, and many people have. The circuit we use here to create an audio tone uses 555 timer IC along with a 1K and 120K ohm resistor in addition to a 0.01 microfarad disc capacitor. These components connected to the pins on the IC cause the IC to generate a fixed audio tone somewhere around 1,000 cycles per second, which is referred to as 1,000 hertz. Here are the steps we suggest you use to construct the circuit on your breadboard. Step 1. Lay out all the parts needed for the circuit. There are a total of 16 items counting the jumper wires. Step 2. Install these 6 items: the battery snap, the push-button switch, the disc capacitor, the 555 timer IC, the NPN transistor, and the speaker. Step 3. Install the 4 resistors: the 10 ohm, the 120K ohm, the 1K ohm, and the 220 ohm. Step 4. Install the 6 jumper wires. With the jumper wires installed, the circuit is complete. Check your wiring one more time, comparing it to the pictorial diagram. When you are sure that you have put it together right, touch the battery to the snap. Nothing should happen until you press the push-button switch to cause a tone to be emitted from the speaker. By using the push-button switch as a code key, you can send a code of audio tones. Now I'm going to demonstrate the code oscillator circuit in action. All right, here's experiment number 25, the code oscillator, all wired up and ready to go. Got your speaker, your NPN transistor, the 555 timer, 0.01 capacitor, 4 resistors, jumper wires, and our push-button switch, which is our code key. Let's check it out. If you're a ham radio operator, you might recognize that. All right, time to get your parts and build it and see if you can make it work like I did.